We will discuss the bull run. People, everything appears to be really bullish. XRP wants to run at the $3 level, while Bitcoin wants to push to a new all-time high. We will discuss many other alternatives. Q1 of 2025, when will Bitcoin break out and reach that powerful $150,000 age, and will we witness the boom that many have predicted? I've got you covered. To put it simply, take a seat back and unwind. Let's go right into a Bitcoin with a value of $102,574. Right now, it has increased 1.39% over the last day. Ethereum is at a 0.62%, coming in at $38.89. As we await the expected launch of the Ripple stablecoin, LUST, USDT, and USDC are both still trading at 99 cents. We do have some notes for today's second video, which is about wallets. We can anticipate the launching of Ripple's stablecoin as its official website page has been made public. Unless they plan to postpone it till the January 1st launch in the new year, I would say any day now. At $2.40, XRP's charts are showing signs of strength and optimism. Right now, it stands at 6.7%. Where will we go from here, given that the overall market value of cryptocurrencies is still between $3.5 and $4 trillion, or $3,666 billion? Okay? Everything appears to be bright. Everything appears to be going well. By January 1st, the Martini guy had made his all-point predictions. For the final 2 weeks of December, he anticipates a nice push-up and a nice move-up overall. He's got a theory. He has XRP breaking above $3, reaching $3.10, and I'm coming in at over 5,300. 20 pennies was unknown to Phantom 4 and a quarter heart. I died Polkadot coming at 20 cents, and I owed her 90 cents. In 2 weeks, that would be a 2x. We have been purchasing the return side coins, which come to $400 every Monday, at a rate of $1.50 by January 1st. Where else can you find them? Is it possible that Solana may eventually break out and reach the $300 age range? That would be amazing to watch. Given how positive the markets appear to be at the moment, it appears that it might be. We see some green. It seems as though Bitcoin is ready for its next leg up and push up for several months now. We have been discussing how Q1 2025 will be a huge boom and a fantastic period for the larger cryptocurrency markets, not just Bitcoin. Not just all coins, but all of them, since it is what will cause the correction during the US tax season. Then came the March-April correction, followed by those blow-off tops. I'm prepared for what's coming in the summer and fall of 2025. I'm not sure about you. All I want is for XRP to take action. Give us a $1 trillion market capitalization and rise above $15.20 when I hope it happens incredibly quickly. Because I'll tell you now, there will be a complete explosion in those places. It grows more difficult to hold XRP as its price rises. Why is that? It's straightforward. The more money you make, the more fluctuations you observe in the price of XRP, such as the recent drop from almost $270 to $1.90. The more you examine the portfolio, the more it appears that you are losing money at that time, and the game becomes cognitively taxing. We were experiencing these tiny fluctuations of 5 cents when XRP was fixed at, say, 50 or 60 cents. It was simple. It was a simple stroll. It's only 65 cents, yes. I am aware that this will return to 60 cents. It's all okay, but corrections are quite common during a bull run when we move up into the 2-, 3-, 5-, or $10 range. We hit 5 during the bull cycle and then plummet back to 3 like a piece of ice. I ought to have sold at 5, man. Tens or maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars were lost by me just now. The body suffers during the procedure. It is quite exhausting. Dr. Profits released this. The world of boxes and what's next, he said. The next move is to the upside, he says. Here, he is discussing Bitcoin. This is what he labeled, and it's absolutely accurate. As you can see, Box 2 was between $45,000 and roughly $72,000. After a brief period of sideways movement, we called for the breakout when it was scheduled to occur. We would enter the range of $90,000 to roughly $100,000. As you can see, we're currently sitting at roughly $105,000, which is about where that box sits. He has an enormous push-up about to happen after 1 or 5 breaks, raising the price of Bitcoin to around 125. We informed you that the numbers we are searching for are 108 to 115. Getting $150,000 on Bitcoin will be quite simple. However, we need to break out of the range we are now in, which is box 3. If Bitcoin rises, the market as a whole will follow suit. Money from Bitcoin will then rotate out and enter altcoins after it has finished rising. I can taste how close we are. I sense it. The sentiment is evident on social media. Beginning to get quite bullish. Some of these charts are visible over the weekend, you know. They just keep creeping up, and before you realize it, they've done it. 2% of 5% of 50% equals 100%, and it all depends on the races we attend. I want to remind you that XRP was only trading at about 60 cents back in November, around Thanksgiving. Then, 2 weeks later, XRP exploded, rising from 60 cents to just 2 weeks, going from $2.70 to $2.80. We're talking about the same time frame here in just 2 weeks, people, when we talk about these targets. That's all. In 2 weeks, a lot may happen and change in the cryptocurrency world, particularly after the crypto minute. Be careful to read his bullish time frame, which is this bullish portion of the cycle that we are going to enter. The analyst describes how he seized cryptocurrency, and he predicts that XRP will soar to $2.90. He has predicted that the price of XRP will shortly reach $2.90. The XRP market established a consolidation between 225 and 250, and this prognosis comes with minimal fluctuation. The altcoin XRP has risen more than 340% since November 5th, making it one of the largest market gainers following the U.S. elections. He sobbed. XRP is sharing a possible price trajectory to reach 2,090 cents, according to a tweet from cryptocurrency just recently. He emphasizes how crucial it is that XRP closes above 250 on its hourly chart, as this should lead to a large price increase. It is anticipated that all coins will retest 260. This implies that market bulls must increase their purchasing activities at this price point. After $2.60 past the retest, according to him, the bull market is still going strong, and we are up to $2.94, which is only 24.4% off its peak. Hey everyone, today is the weekly closure. Right now, XRP appears to be doing well. It's hovering in this range, which is a perfect place for XRP to gain momentum and allow people to set let's push up in the next blastoff to that $3 range now that the walls and the resistance are about 240. Amazing cryptocurrency, according to my non-traders. To ensure you remember the big picture, you must slightly enlarge the image. This structure and XRP appear incredibly well maintained and bullish. It's really crazy. Ignore what occurs throughout these shorter periods. It's all sounds. Therefore, disregard the shorter time frames for the time being if you are not training XRP. Because it is almost time to go when you zoom out and look at the XRP chart and see where the bullish trajectory is headed. For those, allow me to blow this up. Do you have your eyes on the screen? There you have it. Would we be able to recover? 2017 cents it might occur. If it occurs, that's typical, but after that, we'll see a push up to 290, and as the year progresses and the bull run continues, we'll enter Q1 of 2025. XRP is in its last blow-off stage in critical crypto, trading between $20 and $30. He claims that XRP's market capitalization of $1 million is practically a lock-in target. We have displayed the figures for XRP's $1 million market capitalization. We anticipate that XRP will be between $20 and $30, and perhaps even more, as we can never predict where a blow-off top will take us. As I previously emphasized on this channel, we are still very early in this bull run. The appetizer was simply transparent. When the main course is served, they have already removed your plate and are preparing to plate it. At this point, you will witness the third, fourth, and fifth waves, which will provide us with a parabolic explosion and propel XRP to the $20, $30, or even $40 price objective.